It's what you love to hear, right? The cost of yet something else is through the roof. This time, it's your home and auto insurance, increasing by 4% and 5% on average, respectively.
There's several factors driving that. One is major storm losses across the country. This past year, we had $20 billion catastrophe loss events. So those are tornadoes, hurricanes, wildfires, floods, etc. That's one of the highest numbers we've ever seen in terms of volume of loss events in 1 year.
The Insurance Information Institute also cited rising labor costs and inflation.
What happens is the cost of rebuilding a home is more expensive now than it may have been 2 years ago. So say you bought $200,000 of dwelling coverage when you purchased your homeowner's insurance policy several years ago. It may now cost $250,000 to replace it with today's market value of labor and materials.
On average, CBS 4 found out homeowners are spending about $1,398 a year, which is the highest we've ever seen. It's a similar situation when it comes to the rise in auto coverage. Everything is costing more, including how much it'll cost to see a doctor if you're in a crash, how much it'll cost to get your car repaired, and how much it will be to reserve a rental.
That's leading to an increase in rates.
Also, in 2020, fewer people were driving. That meant fewer crashes and fewer claims. But now, data shows our driving habits are similar to what we saw pre-pandemic.
More people were more impaired driving, speeding, failure to wear a seatbelt. And that has led to an increase in fatality and injuries on our road.
Here in Indiana, the average cost for full car insurance is up to $1,254 per year.
So what can you do as a consumer to protect yourself but also save money? Two things. The first is to shop your coverage. Get at least 3 quotes to compare rates. You can do that on your own and online. Also, make sure you have dwelling coverage because everything is going up in price. Your property may not be fully protected if there's a storm or flood, and that could cost you in the long run. In the newsroom, I'm Angela Brower, CBS 4 News.